Your topic is about park.
Yes.
So you are in the park now?
No.
This is park?
Yes.
This is not park, this is classroom. But just think, just imagine that you are in
Park.
So tell us what is happening in the park.
I am standing in park that I tell
Okay,
you
I tell you about park, what is happening here.
what is happening, and some children are playing
What they are playing?
playing volleyball.
Volleyball, okay, they are playing volleyball.
Some peoples are walking.
Some people's,
People are walking.
some people are walking, yes.
Some
Some children's,
are running.
some children are running.
One children is crying.
One children, one child.
One child is
Yes,
crying.
one child is crying.
Child is crying.
Okay, and what are you doing?
I am taking.
Also crying?
I am taking ice cream.
Okay, you are taking ice cream in the park.
Yes.
Okay,
Then,
very nice.
Then one people is
One people, one person.
one person is playing in mobile.
Okay, one person is playing in the mobile. What is playing? He is playing PUBG in the mobile?
Yes.
He is playing PUBG, okay. He is playing PUBG in the mobile. Very nice. Okay. And
Some people coming.
some people are
Some people are coming in park
coming in park and
going out park
and walking.
and walking park.
Yes, they are walking in the park
They're
and they are
walking.
taking exercise.
They are taking exercise.
And you are eating ice cream.
I taking ice cream.
I am taking ice cream. Okay, okay.
And
Yes, yes. Good, very nice.
my friends playing cricket.
My friends are playing.
My friends are playing cricket.
Okay.
and I am also playing
I'm also playing
cricket.
because your ice cream has finished.
Yes.
That's why you are playing. Okay.
And some people are
Some people are
watching match.
watching match. Oh, watching your match.
Yes.
So you are bowling or you are batting?
I am doing batting.
You are doing batting. Very nice.
And one children is
One children? One child.
one child is watching mobile.
One child is watching mobile. Okay. Who is that child? You are that child?
No.
No, you are not that. Okay, you are playing.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And
And my uncle is walking.
your uncle is also there?
Yes.
Okay, your uncle is walking.
In
Very
park.
nice.
And I'm playing cricket. I choose bowling.
You choose bowling, but you told for some time you are batting?
My batting is finished.
Okay, your batting is over. Okay. Nice. And
And
what is happening? What is happening here? In the ground, in the park.
some people taking fast food.
Some people are taking fast food in the park?
Yes.
Okay. It is a park or it is a playground? It's a playground also. It's a park also. Okay.
And it's all about.
It's all over. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Nice.